What's up, YouTube? It's your Tiffany, and I am back with another video. Yes. I say that with emphasis. Anyway, but this is just a video how I'm be showing y'all how I, Tiffany D. Rice, clean my makeup brushes. But yeah, basically I just warm up some water for about 30 seconds. Then I add in some dish detergent. Then I add in a little bit of coconut oil. I'm trying to record and do this stuff at the same time, so y'all bear with me. Stir that up. Whip it real good. Whip it real good. So yeah, I ended up pouring most of the water out, so I just start with a little bit of water. Anyway, put your brushes in, and as you can see, it's already turning brown. Like, it's already getting clean. So yeah, now we finna wash them. So yeah, you get a bar of soap and you open it, of course. And I'm just, like I said, I'm just gonna show y'all what I do. Like, I go between the soap, the little soap container, or anything with ridges, and my hand. And I just move the brushes around in circular motion on all of these objects. So yeah, y'all just watch me, I guess, clean my brushes. Okay, so for the smaller brushes, it's better if you use your hand, but I was just showing y'all how you can do it with, anything with ridges. I do it with the dish soap container, yes. But yeah, basically just like rub it all around, try to make it hit the ridges as many times, you're trying to clean it. Trying to get up in there and swirl it around in circles. I mean, that's the best way I can explain it to y'all. But like I said, it do work better with small brushes when you do it on your hand, because you can go in the circles and get all the makeup and all the dirt and everything that's built up inside the brushes. Alright, now I'm just drying the brushes off with a towel. I'm just like trying to get any soap or leftover water or leftover makeup. I'm just drying the brushes off with the towel. But yeah, y'all, that's basically it. But like I said, this is how I clean my brushes. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like the video. Go like it, like right now. Comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. All right, y'all.